Do you read please as please, rose as roj, nose as noj, or zoom as zoom, desire as desire? Then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to Fluency Hacks, and in today's video we are discussing the swapping of Z sound by the J sound. So let's first understand what exactly is the sound issue. I come from Bihar. I have been raised in Magahi or Magadhi speaking dialect, Boli jisko bulate. And by a great length of my life, say until I was 22, 23, I was one of maybe hundreds and thousands of people from that region. I didn't say reason, I said region, who had no idea, who would swap their J with the Z and Z with the J sound. When I left my city and landed in Kolkata, and it was there when the few occasions I had enrolled at an academy as well, people would say, hey, say that as zoo, and I would say Jew, and they would laugh and say, no, it's not Jew, it's a zoo. Apparently it wasn't very difficult to differentiate, because as you can understand, it's a J versus Z sound. Similar nahi hai, but there is another way of writing it. You say J and then there is a nukta there or the dot there that makes it Z. So Zamir or Jamir may difference. That's something we were taught, But like many people, I also grew up not realizing that there was the need of pronouncing some words with a Z instead of the J sound. So before I take you through the practice of a few words to differentiate the two sounds, let's first understand how the two sounds differ from each other. J और Z दो different sounds तो है, ये तो आपको पता चल गया होगा. How you learn to differentiate is, again, as I have been saying in the previous videos as well, that by realizing. So let's first understand what is this Z sound. Z sound जो है, that involves your upper palate. ऊपर का जो दांत है, उसका पीछे का जो हिस्सा है, गम के पीछे, upper palate, ऊपर का तालू, that area and the tip of your tongue, when they get together, close together, they constrict the airflow, ऐसे कम कर देते हैं, raise करके, and then you release and make the vibration here. So what you do is you bring your tongue, bring it close, and you just zzz. तो आपका जो tip of the tongue है, वो responsible है in generating the zzz sound. There are certain other observations as well. You can stretch your lips. This is typically, people of native English speaking countries do. But it's not going to happen, in every preceding and proceeding sound, because you probably know that every sound is affected by the sound it comes after and the sound that comes after it. So zzz जो है, ये realization है. आपको क्या करना है, आपको जो lips है उसको पीछे की तरफ stretch करना है, tongue को upper, ठीक दांत के पीछे, not बहुत पीछे, just over here. You have to bring your tongue there and make the vibration. Vibration ऐसा होगा कि आप उसको feel करेंगे. You are going to feel the vibration at the tip of your tongue. So it's a zzz, zzz, z sound. On the other hand, ja j different होता है in the manner, इसमें भी tongue involved है, but there is a difference in the manner in which this sound is generated. इसमें क्या होता है? Again, let's understand by this. ये I made this talu, I made this upper palate, and this is your tongue. This is your tongue. When you say ja, दो चीजें हो रही. There are two things happening. You have to understand. The middle of the tongue, जो tongue है, उसका middle portion जो है, that goes up. वो तालू को लॉक करते हैं. ज आप बोल करके देखो मेरे साथ ज आप यहाँ पे फिंगर रखेंगे, then there will be certain burst of air you would be able to even feel. ज बहुत hard नहीं, but you would be able to feel. So j जो है j and then you can also see here that I'm throwing my lips out. इसको projection बोलते हैं. So I'm saying j John, z नहीं है, j है, j साइड से देख लेते हैं. j z. So it's a j versus z. Before we conclude, let me read out a few words for you, and I will be reading out in the right way as well as making the swap so that you understand. So it's please, not please, please, not please, is, not ij, rose, not roj, close, not close, nose, not nose, goes, gauge, doze, doge, his, his. Zebra, this is the right way. Gibra, that's swapping. Zoo, not Jew. Zoom, not Zoom. Zone, and not Joan. Zinc, Jink. Zero, Giro. Now let's discuss the same sound in the middle. Desire, desire. Present, present. Puzzle, puzzle. Cousin, cousin. Magazine, magazine. Razor, razor. Lizard, lizard. So there is a link in the description. You can go there. I have compiled a few words for you to practice and then start. The bottom line is you have to differentiate these two sounds and speak like a champ. I hope you guys like this video, and please make sure you subscribe. That gives kind of this confidence and a sort of sense of satisfaction, that what I'm doing you guys will like it. And in case you have any issue related to your sound and fluency and connected speech and all, please write down in the comment or email me. You can go to the about section and then there is an email of mine out there. I would definitely reply. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye and have a good day.